Are you ready?
Right.
No cheating. I don't know how you can cheat at this game, but still no cheating. Right, so Will's just taken his picture. Now we're going to see what he looks like in 60 years.
So here's this handsome chap. Are we going young?
Yeah. No, we're going old. Definitely old.
Oh my word, I love
Wow.
my dad. It's like a cross between my dad and Richard Branson.
It does, doesn't it? It really does. Hi guys, welcome back to Money Medics, the user guide series. Now today we have Will from N26. Will, do you want to tell us who you are, for those that don't know, who you are and what is N26?
So, my name is Will. I'm the General Manager in the UK of N26, which is the global mobile bank. And our mission is to be the first bank that you will love to use. My role is to be what I think the advocate for the UK customer. So as we are moving to more and more countries around the world, my job is to make sure that we don't forget about our UK customers and we make sure that we are developing a product that everyone in the UK will love to use as much as our customers in markets all around the world elsewhere.
So, as you know, there's a few hashtag crazes going on at the moment. If you could describe N26 using a few hashtags, what would it be?
So actually we have a campaign at the moment which is based around a hashtag which is 26 reasons. I think the hashtag which I prefer, which is a very snappy one, is the bank hashtag, the bank you'll love to use. Hashtag no hidden fees, and I think the one that I can relate to the most is hashtag branchless banking. So being able to do all of your banking needs direct from your mobile phone and never having to go to the bank again.
That is so convenient, especially as banks are only usually open 9 to 5, and those are the days that you're at work. Yeah. So being able to do things on your phone rather than having to take time off of work to bank is very convenient. So that's why we all love digital banking at the moment. So we all know that there's a lot of new digital banks coming up in the technical world at the moment, and they all seem to have something unique about them. So what would you say is unique about N26? What problem do you think it solves at the moment?
7 out of 10 millennials prefer going to the dentist than going to their bank. So, yeah.
I know, I was going to say, Nick just went to the dentist yesterday after 4 years.
And you could have spent that time on an N26 app instead. Wouldn't you have preferred that? So that's the problem that we identified very early on. People hate going to the bank. What is our unique selling point? What do we do better than anyone else? So if you go and use our app, the design is really set up so that the things that you need to do every day for 90% of your use cases are right there within your fingertips.
If there's one person that you can use to best describe N26 or best make N26 go viral, who would that be?
Can I give you two answers here?
You can give, yeah, that's fine.
So, the answer I'd like to give is Megan Rapinoe.
I was going to say, for the people that don't know who Megan Rapinoe is.
I've got a niche here.
And Rapinoe scores! The best FIFA Women's Player of the Year, Megan Rapinoe. Congratulations.
Megan Rapinoe is the captain of the United States women's football team. They just won the World Cup, and she's a huge advocate for equal pay between men and women footballers, and she's blowing up right now. She's moving to a better place of equality, and that represents a lot of what we're trying to do at N26. We know we will have made it big when N26 is in a rap song, so the second answer will be Stormzy.
Yeah, put love emojis all coming out here.
Ooh, that is very, very, very interesting. Stormzy, if you're watching this, you know what to do. We need to tag Stormzy in this post. So there's currently a craze that's going around where people are taking pictures of their faces, and there's an app that can make you age. Have you heard about this?
I thought you were going to ask me to kick a cap off a bottle.
Oh no, we were talking about that as well. We were talking about that, but this one's slightly different.
Describe this N26 before you kick the...
Before you kick the bottle. So there's an app at the moment where you can take a picture of your face and you can edit it so it makes you, I think, like 60 years older.
Can we go younger instead?
We could, but if you hear the question, you might not want to go younger. Right, so Will's just taken his picture. Now we're going to see what he looks like in 60 years.
So here's this handsome chap. Are we going young? Yeah.
No, we're going old. Definitely old.
Oh my word, I love
Wow.
my dad. It's like a cross between my dad and Richard Branson.
It does, doesn't it? It really does. How do you envision N26 in 60 years' time?
We would like to be in a place where we can give our customers all of the financial products that they need, but in a way that supports them in their life decisions. And by that I mean, I think right now there's a lot of emphasis placed on financial education. And so there's two ways of solving that. There's either sort of through the education route or through helping make financial decisions easier and predict what customers need.
You ready, Will?
I'm ready.
The most difficult, I don't know the most difficult, but the most interesting part of the
Let me get a
episode.
timer out.
So we're giving Will 20 seconds to name as many reasons why you should download and use N26 as your mobile bank.
And before we start, I'd just like to say, as we discussed before, I'm going for quality, not quantity. So
If you say so. Okay, I'm going to count you in. Are you
Okay.
ready?
right.
No cheating. I don't know how you can cheat at this game, but still no cheating. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so with us, with N26 on your phone, you will never need to go to your bank again. We are a fully regulated bank, so we will look after your money. Spaces, it's a fantastic feature that allows you to navigate your personal finances and manage them in your own way. Discreet mode, we're the only ones who do it. Wave your hand over your phone and all the figures disappear so you can show your bank with your friends.
Stop.
That was quick.
Wow. Not bad,
Okay.
actually.
I have more listed out, that's a shame. I was ready to go for another minute.
Not bad. I gave you like a 1 second 23 extra. So I don't know if I need to give you like half a point
cut,
back.
I feel
I might
disappointed.
let you
Come
off
back
for
for
that
episode 2 for another 20 seconds. Okay, so when you log into the app, the first thing you see right here is the transaction list, which gives you a view of all the transactions that you've done at any point in time. For each of these you can click through and there you go, you can see he bought me lunch and I paid him back. This was actually a MoneyBeam transaction, which you can see at the top here as well. What is MoneyBeam? MoneyBeam is our product for instantaneous transfers of money to friends and family who also have N26. In here you also have statistics, which shows you just how much I've apparently been drinking martinis this month. But this allows you for each month to look at how much you've been spending, how much money's been coming into your account, and really understand where you've been using your finances over a year or over a month. Another very cool feature we have is something called discreet mode, which you saw me accidentally turn on just there. So if I swipe my hand over the app, straight away all of my numbers disappear. So when I'm sharing my screen with people like yourselves, I can just hide all my finances like that. Spaces, which is down the bottom here, this is our way of you being able to separate out your personal finances. You can set personal goals for this. So you see here, I'm almost ready to go and take a holiday. This is totally seamless. So you see here, I can just drag money from one to the other, and then it asks me how much money I want to move. Again, this will be in pounds as a UK customer. Then finally, the last thing I want to show you here is our Explore tab. This allows you to refer friends to the app. If you like us, you can recommend us and we'll give you £10 for every one of your friends or family that you refer to N26. We also have upgrades for our 2 products, N26U and our premium product, N26 Metal. U gives you a choice of 5 different coloured cards, gives you free ATM withdrawals anywhere around the world, and gives you a selection of discounts with a number of our partners, including WeWork. This is the future of how we see the business, with a product that's really focused around you as the customer. Finally, we have N26 Metal, which has the same benefits as you. You also get a metal card in the colour of your choice, black, silver or pink, which is actually my favourite. No laughing in the background. And that also comes with a comprehensive travel insurance package and dedicated customer support. Right at the end here, I won't take you through it, but we have a selection of personal settings which allows you to customize the amount that you can withdraw from your card, and
how much you can spend per day, set various limits, add the card into Apple Wallet for Apple Pay. So lots of controls that you can then have around your bank. Also, we have customer support that's in there as well, and that's available 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. 7 days a week.
For all our audience, are there any things we need to be aware of? Are there any opportunities, events that you just want to let us know about?
So, I mean, in terms of what we're doing in the coming months, we have just yesterday announced our new mid-tier, which is called N26U. And that is about putting the customer right at the heart of the product, giving you choices around what card you want and how you want to manage your finances within the app. So that's exciting, and that's going to be something that we'll be developing more in the coming months. We are also hopefully very close to announcing or at least releasing a product called Shared Spaces, which will be a reimagining of what a joint account will look like in the modern age. So not having a joint account is something which takes up a lot of effort, but something you can really create ad hoc on a weekend when you're going on trips, using it with your housemates, things like this. So that's something we're very excited about, which we think will be a huge change for personal banking in the UK.
That sounds amazing, actually. Can I
Share
ask
space,
about that?
Share spaces for you and me.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get you guys priority access.
But no, it's been a pleasure, Will. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the episode. Make sure you subscribe. Check out N26 on all their social media handles. Till next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.